finding a midpoint here, tapering it out. Might use a little bit of a 3-point slant there. And there's that section up there. Help me with the lining of it. And again, just kind of rounding off these corners, finding the center line there. And this part that's split up has 6 sides, so you can divide this into 6 pieces here. Set that section off. Then when you take a look at the graphic that it has, kind of a system set up there, you can kind of use the straight edge to help you. I'll give you a top to bottom here. So this part gives you this particular logo. East Power. So just kind of setting up the shapes for the lettering. This has a section on here, and then heavy duty right here. Just kind of setting that up there. So any of the graphics for the logo, you can kind of indicate it so it's placed on there. Section it off. Place where it belongs. This one I'm just going to give it a baseline and a height line and indicate that in there later. So I kind of have it pretty well established, and then now I can go back in and start to heavy up some of these lines to illustrate it. And while I'm doing it, try to illustrate it at the same time. So the outer edge, you can kind of see how it's a little foil metallic there. Shading to it, reflected metallic light there, kind of gives it the glow there for it. And as you go inside, trying to look at the mechanical part of this first, and then break it about there. And you can see the wraparounds kind of has the stylization with the metallic look to it. And the dark value of this kind of easily placed in there. So the top has the shiny metal, kind of showing that reflection in there. That gives you the top. Then when you come down to the side, see it kind of has the shine to it. Okay, it has a couple lines there. When you get into the lettering, just put a ruler, have all the markings for it, and you can go a little bit heavier on this part. Let's see, take that out for a second. And here's where you put the lettering here. So you have a baseline for it and a height line. And so here's the letter. Here's E, A, S, T, U, so just kind of block it in for the type. This power, this has a little bit of a tone to it. Lock that in. This says heavy duty. Smaller pencil. Set that up and then kind of really give it a heavier line here. One second. Okay, so that kind of gives you the logo for it. And this part gives you the shadow for that. And then there's just a little bit of type down here. plus sign here. And the rest is just kind of encapsulating the shading of it again. So again, trying to get the dimensional part to it, as well as the shading.